Hey, this is shawnshawn from the artist from shawnshawn.co, and I sell art on eBay. Today I have a tip on art criticism. So sometimes you get the question, hey, people are criticizing my art. Should I listen to them? Should I not listen to them? So there's three things you got to consider. So one, if they're friends, family, people that are non-artists, I would just completely ignore them unless it's kind of positive reinforcement. They're not in the field. They're probably giving you bad advice in the wrong direction, especially when it comes to art marketing, if it's a good career, down that route. Number two, if it's artists, you want to consider, are they really qualified artists? Are they really good? If they're probably not as good as you, they might be criticizing you because they're jealous of your work. So ignore anyone that's not an expert that's even better than you. Also, what you want to consider is this, you're an expert. Sometimes, some people are assholes, right? So, so they might put your artwork down. It doesn't usually happen, but you want to consider if that criticism is objective, right? Are they giving you good criticism? Are they helping you, or are they just being, mean and nasty and spiteful? The mean, nasty, and spiteful, I would just ignore. Probably take them off your friends list. And three is from clients. So if they're, a one-time client buyer, you might want to take a little bit into their perspective. If they're, kind of a multi-work collector, you kind of want to pay attention in the sense that they might be guiding you down a route you want to consider. You don't always have to follow your client's lead on a style that they might want you to pursue, but you might have good feedback as far as what they might like to see down the road, like bigger painting, smaller painting. Maybe you're doing animals, and they're like, hey, can you do portraits as well? Or vice versa. Or you're doing a landscape, and they're like, hey, can you do abstract as well? It's kind of abstracted already. So you might want to consider those things from a client because they're going to pay you money, right? So consider your advice either from people that pay you money or people that have expertise in the field and it's objective and not overly negative. It has to be kind of that positive reinforcement, but kind of directing, steering you in the right direction. Everyone else that's kind of a lesser quality artist or a family friend member that's a non-artist, I would just completely ignore. And that's my tip of the day.